Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today we are starting with a very important topic in data structure and algorithm, which is linked list in JavaScript. Don't worry if you have not seen this before, we will keep it simple and easy to understand. So let's jump in. So what is a linked list? A linked list is a linear data structure, just like an array, but here is a catch, like unlike array, its elements are not stored in a continuous block of memory. Instead, it is made of nodes, and each node is connected to the next using a something called a pointers or links. We use linked list a lot of when means we need dynamic memory management, or when the data keeps changing, like adding or removing elements frequently. So now you might be wondering, why not just use arrays? Well, arrays have a fixed size, or inserting or deleting elements in the middle can be slow because you have to shift everything. And linked lists on the other hand are dynamic. The you can add or remove elements without shifting the entire list. This makes them more flexible the memory. So let's quickly compare arrays and linked lists first. In array use continuous memory, linked lists don't, and arrays are fixed but linked lists are dynamic. Arrays can give you an element directly in big of one time, but in linked list you have to traverse from the start, and so its time complexity is a big of n. Then arrays are costly, but then the linked list are the efficient way in way of inserting and deleting, accessing the data. This comparison will help you understand when to use a linked list instead of an array. So linked lists are not just theoretical, they are everywhere in real life. For example, undo or redo functionality in the editors, playing songs in a music playlist, next and previous button, image viewer when you move forward or backward, dynamic memory allocation in programming, and also when we implement stack and queue in the upcoming data structures. So linked lists are very practical and useful. Now let's see the structure of a node. Each node has two things. One first is data and second is the next. Data is the value it store, and next a reference to the next node. Let's quickly see the JavaScript example, which here is a class node having a constructor data. This node data is equal to data, and this node next is equal to null. So here we are creating a class called node. Each node has a data property for storing the value, and a next property which points to the next node. Right now we set it null because it is not connected to the any node yet. So to visualize, think of a linked list like a chain. First is head, then node 1, node 2, node 3, and null. And if you see in the array, we have just like this array, and we are stored this 1, 2, and 3. But in linked list we have data and the next pointer also, next also. So each arrow is the next pointer connecting those connecting one node to another. The last node point to the null and indicating the end of the list. So to summarize, a linked list is basically a chain of nodes. It's dynamic and flexible and great for problems where data keeps changing. And in the next video we will learn about the different types of linked lists: singly, doubly, and circular. So if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to JD Codebase for more practical DSA tutorials in JavaScript. See you in the next one.